Let's install the Java 25 OpenJDK from Eclipse Adoptium. So why we are not installing JDK, we are installing OpenJDK, that I will cover in separate video, which I will share link of that video into description. So go on the Google and search for OpenJDK. Once you got the result, you have to scroll down and click on the Adoptium home. So this is by Eclipse Adoptium, which provides a pre-built OpenJDK binaries. So we have to click on that, and once you land on the home page, you will see the Java 25 on the home page. But you have to scroll down, and we are going to click on the others download here. So let's click on there, and you will see there are many versions of the Java. Based on requirement, you can install anything, but we are going to install the 2025. So click on the 25 LTS, and based on operating system, you have to click for the downloads of that. And if you see that downloads has been started in my download section. Once the downloads is completed, yeah, so my download is also completed. You have to go in the download section of your directory, and there you will find the .msi extension. So if you see that .msi extension file is there, so you have to double click on that. It will start to like preparing to install. So once that is you have to click on the next and accept the license and agreement. Click on the next, install for all user of the machine, and click on the next, then install. It will ask for administration confirmation, so confirm that, and click on the install. It will start to copying the files from directory to the directory, and then you have to click on the finish. So let's configure the environment variable but before that we have to copy that path where this JDK has been created. So go in the C drive program files, then search for the Eclipse Adoptium. If you see 25.0.47 is there, then copy that path, open the environment variable, and click on that environment variable. And if you see the Java home is already there, I will just replace that one. Click on the OK, and let's check in the path as well. So if you see in the path 25 is already there, I'm going to delete that one, and the bean is already there, which can be act as 25. So we are going to use the variable for environment variable. So yeah, like click on the OK. Now to verify that, we have to open the command prompt. So search for the command prompt and open that one and type the command like java c hyphen version. You see the version of that Java, and let it, yeah, it is Java C 25.0.4 and Java hyphen version. You will see that OpenJDK 25.0.4 is there, LTS version, and environment is Temurin.